Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways to monetize a niche website. With tools like Lasso, maximizing your earnings has never been easier. In today's video, we'll show you exactly how to use Lasso to make more money from your content, step by step. So let's dive in. What is Lasso? Managing affiliate links across a growing website can feel overwhelming. Links break, URLs change, and keeping up with affiliate compliance can become a logistical nightmare. This is where Lasso comes in. Lasso is more than just an affiliate management tool. It's your secret weapon for optimizing your site's earning potential. Lasso centralizes your affiliate link management, allowing you to organize, edit, and optimize every link on your site from one dashboard. But what sets it apart is its ability to actively help you find new ways to earn money, from uncovering unmonetized links to recommending higher paying affiliate opportunities. This isn't just a tool for convenience, it's really like a revenue multiplier. So if you're just starting out with affiliate marketing, or maybe you're just looking to scale your income a little bit more, Lasso provides actionable tools to grow your revenue without adding hours of extra work to your day. So let's break down exactly how you can use Lasso to start earning more money today. Step 1, centralize and optimize your links. The first step to making money with affiliate marketing is ensuring that your links are always working and pointing to the right products. Broken links or outdated URLs can mean missed sales and just a poor user experience. But with Lasso, you can centralize every affiliate link in one place and ensure they're always optimized. For example, imagine you're promoting a camping tent. In the past, you might have added that link manually across 10 different blog posts. If the affiliate program changes the link, then you'd have to update each post individually. With Lasso, you only need to update the link once in your dashboard, and the changes propagate site-wide. This feature alone can save you hours of manual work while ensuring that no sales are lost to broken or outdated links. Plus, Lasso includes compliance tools to automatically add disclosures and manage tracking ideas, keeping your site in line with affiliate program rules. Centralized link management also allows you to experiment with different affiliate programs and products. By swapping out links, you can test which programs drive the most revenue. And Lasso makes it easy to make these adjustments without tedious manual edits, giving you the flexibility to optimize for maximum earnings. Step 2, boost conversions with custom displays. Affiliate marketing isn't just about linking to products. It's about presenting those products in a way that drives clicks and conversions. Lasso's customizable display options let you showcase your affiliate links in visually appealing ways that inspire action. For example, instead of embedding a plain text link for a product, you can create a professional looking product box. So let's say you're reviewing a high-end coffee grinder. With Lasso, you can design a display box featuring the grinder's name, price, star rating, and a call to action button like check price on Amazon. These boxes are proven to convert better than just plain text links. If you want to compare multiple products, then use Lasso's comparison tables. For instance, if you're writing an article on the best camping tents of 2025, then you can create a table that compares features like size, weight, and price. These tables help readers make quick decisions, increasing the likelihood that they'll click through and buy. Now, customization options let you match displays to your brand's look and feel, adding that trust and professionalism to your site. And the result is more clicks and higher conversions. Think about it this way. Every product box or table is an opportunity to earn. By presenting products in a way that's visually engaging and informative, you're guiding your audience toward making a purchase. The more compelling your presentation, then the higher your earnings. Step 3, monetize existing content with opportunities. So one of Lasso's standout features is its opportunities tab, which helps you uncover unmonetized links and keywords across your site. Think of it as a treasure map to hidden revenue opportunities. Here's how it works. After installing Lasso, the plugin scans your entire site and identifies links that could be earning you money. For example, if you've mentioned Canva in several blog posts, but you haven't linked to its affiliate program, Lasso will flag these mentions and provide a direct link to sign up. Once approved, you can replace those plain links with affiliate links all within the dashboard. Opportunities don't stop at links. Lasso also identifies identifies keywords that you've used that could be monetized. For instance, if you frequently mention Grammarly in your articles, then Lasso will recommend turning those mentions into affiliate links. By taking advantage of these suggestions, you're effectively squeezing more revenue out of content that you've already created. This feature is especially valuable for older websites with a large backlog of content. Imagine finding hundreds of unmonetized links and turning them into affiliate links with just a few clicks. It's like giving your site an instant revenue boost without creating any new content. Step 4, earn higher commissions with Affiliate Plus. One of the biggest challenges in affiliate marketing is low commission rates, especially from programs like Amazon Associates. Lasso's Affiliate Plus feature solves this problem by connecting you with brands that offer significantly higher payouts. Here's an example. You're promoting a popular meat thermometer on Amazon, earning a measly 3% commission per sale. With Affiliate Plus, you can find the same product in Lasso's marketplace with a commission rate of, let's say, 15%. Better yet, you still earn your Amazon commission, so your total payout is 18% for the same sale. The Affiliate Plus marketplace includes over 300,000 products covering everything, kitchen gadgets to fitness gear. Lasso's AI-driven recommendations make it easy to find high-paying alternatives to the products that you're already promoting. Switching to Affiliate Plus products can dramatically boost your earnings without requiring any additional effort on your part. Now, Affiliate Plus isn't just about higher payouts. It's about building a sustainable income stream. So by focusing on products with better margins, you're maximizing the value of every click and sale. Over time, these higher earnings add up, allowing you to scale your affiliate marketing business more effectively. Step 5, maintain and scale with performance tools. To maximize your earnings, you need to stay on top of your affiliate strategy. This means tracking performance, fixing broken links, and optimizing underperforming content. Lasso's performance tools help you do all of this and more. So for starters, Lasso's broken link detection feature scans your site and flags any links that aren't working. Fixing them is as simple as updating the URL in your Lasso dashboard. This ensures every link is driving traffic and earning commissions. Lasso also integrates with Google Analytics to track clicks and conversions for each link. So if you want to know which product box is driving significantly more clicks than others, Lasso's analytics tools can tell you. These insights are invaluable for fine-tuning your strategies and focusing on what works. Finally, Lasso's performance dashboard consolidates all of your affiliate earnings into one place. Instead of logging into multiple affiliate platforms, you can see your income streams at a glance, making it easier to track progress and set goals for growth. Scaling your affiliate marketing business isn't just about creating more content. It's about making every piece of content as profitable as possible. Lasso gives you the tools to do just that. Advanced tips for maximizing earnings. Combine Lasso with high traffic content. So identify your most popular articles and optimize them with Lasso's custom displays and Affiliate Plus opportunities. High traffic pages are prime real estate for driving sales. Take advantage of seasonal opportunities. Use Lasso to update your links and displays with seasonal products or promotions. For instance, promote holiday-specific items during Q4 for a significant boost in revenue. A/B test your displays. Experiment with different product box styles, comparison tables, and calls to action. Use Lasso's analytics to see which versions perform best and optimize accordingly. Focus on high-value niches. So if you're starting fresh, use Lasso to explore niches with higher commission rates through Affiliate Plus. Research products and programs that offer better payouts to maximize your efforts. Why Lasso is worth it. So Lasso isn't just a plugin. It's an investment in your affiliate marketing business. By streamlining your workflow, boosting conversions, and uncovering hidden opportunities, Lasso pays for itself many times over. And currently, there's a 50% discount on all Lasso pricing plans. So if you've been thinking about getting started with Lasso, then now's the time. So if you want to get started with Lasso, again, go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started. So they have 3 different plans that you can choose from. They have their free plan, which is good for one website, and it gives you the Lasso Lite WordPress plugin. access to 3 to 5x Amazon commissions, AI product recommendations, auto monetize Amazon links, optimized product displays, and the basic support. Now for the Pro plan, if you go ahead and sign up for their yearly plan, you can save up to 45%. So with the Pro plan, you get everything in the free plan, but you also get complete revenue analytics, API-free Amazon product data, broken links alert, out of stock alerts, daily revenue emails, customizable tables, grids, and lists, designer curated themes, unlimited staging sites, early access to beta features, and standard support. And then the portfolio option for $24 per month when you pay annually gets you all of that plus priority support. And you can do this for up to 3 different websites. So again, if you want to get started with Lasso, go ahead and click the link down in the description to get started today. Now, if you're already earning $100 or more per month from affiliate marketing, Lasso can help you scale that income significantly. And if you're just starting out, it provides the tools and insights that you need to build a strong foundation for long-term success. So when you go ahead and pick a plan for Lasso, this is what your dashboard will look like. I just signed up for a free account, and this is what it looks like here. So over here on the left-hand side, we have the marketplace. And up here at the top, we have a bunch of different categories that we can go ahead and search for. There's apparel, automotive, baby, beauty, DIY, entertainment, furniture, health, home, kitchen, office, technology, tools, and more. So let's go ahead and select home and just go ahead and look at some of the products here. So they have it broken down even further for things like appliances, furniture, home, lawn and patio. So you can go in here and find different products to promote, and you can also see their commission rate as well. So you can see right here, we've got 10% for all of those. Down here, there's 13, 9%, 16%, 10%, 10%. So some pretty favorable commission rates here as well. Over here on the left-hand side, we have the opportunities section. So here we can go ahead and select niches, and then Lasso's AI will use this to customize your product recommendations. So that's part of the onboarding section. So when you go ahead and sign up, be sure to do all that so you can get the most out of this part here. We'll go ahead and just select, we'll select photography and click complete onboarding. And we'll come back here to opportunities, and it looks like this works with your website. So you can either get the WordPress plugin or use a JavaScript snippet to go ahead and plug into your site. Over here on the left, we have the links section, and this is where you can go ahead and manage all of your links. And then below that, we have income. And so this is where you can go ahead and track your income using Lasso. Lastly, you can go ahead and connect your account to YouTube or your website by clicking these buttons here. So as you can see, getting started with Lasso is super easy and straightforward. If you want to get started with Lasso, click the link down below in the description to get started today. Affiliate marketing is all about working smarter, not harder. And with Lasso, you have a comprehensive tool that helps you simplify your process, increase conversions, and maximize your earnings. From managing links to discovering new revenue streams, Lasso empowers you to make more money with less effort. So if you're ready to take your affiliate marketing to the next level, then go ahead and check out Lasso today. Links to everything we mentioned are in the description below, and these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. So thank you for supporting our channel, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we share actionable strategies to help you make more money online. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.